Hey everyone, this is Divya from Tabudingu Foodies. If you've got some ripe bananas, this recipe is just what you need. Today we are making soft, wholesome and delicious banana bread muffins that are perfect for breakfast or as a healthy snack. These muffins are made with whole wheat flour, flax seeds and sweetened only with bananas and raisins. No sugar, no oil, these muffins are full of flavor and goodness to start your day with. So if you are new here, make sure to like, share and subscribe and let's get started. We'll start by making flaxseed powder. Into a grinder, add some flax seeds and grind them fine. It will work as a fat and egg replacement in this recipe. Our flaxseed powder is ready. For now, we'll keep it aside. Next, in a mixing bowl, add 4 large bananas and mash them into a puree. To this, add 3 tablespoons of flaxseed powder, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract or essence. Give it a good mix till everything is well combined. Now we'll add a cup of whole wheat flour, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Mix it really well. Now add 1/4 cup of whole milk and 1/4 cup raisins. Give it a gentle mix till everything is well combined. Now grease your muffin tray nicely with oil and pour the batter equally into each cup. Top it up with some chopped walnuts. Bake the muffins in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for around 25 to 30 minutes. And the banana bread muffins are ready. Let them cool completely. No sugar, no oil, these muffins are a wholesome treat. They are perfect for snacking and breakfast. Pair them with a coffee or chai and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. So do try these healthy and tasty muffins and let me know in the comment section how you liked it. As always, you can find the written recipe in the description below and make sure to like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon. Happy eating. I'll see you next time.